Do you know many people are having trouble with their Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G camera showing a black screen? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check storage. Ensure your device has enough storage and battery. Clear space by deleting unused files and charge your phone. Step 2. Restart device. Restart your device to refresh its system. Simply power it off and then turn it back on. Step 3. Update software. Check for available software updates. Keeping your phone updated can fix existing bugs and issues. Step 4. Clean lens. Inspect the camera lens for cleanliness and remove any obstructions like cases or protectors. Step 5. Reset settings. Reset the camera settings to default. This can resolve any misconfigured settings impacting the camera. After following these steps, your camera should work perfectly on your Samsung Galaxy A52s 5G. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.